Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make tea Kerala style. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh milk, strong black tea powder, and sugar. You'll also need a small saucepan and a tea strainer. The secret to an authentic taste truly lies in the freshness of your ingredients. Make sure everything is ready before you begin brewing for the best possible flavor experience. Now let's get brewing. Start by boiling 1 cup of water in your saucepan. Once it's bubbling, add 2 teaspoons of strong black tea powder. This is where the robust flavor begins to develop. Let it simmer gently for about 2 minutes. This crucial step ensures you extract the maximum richness from the tea leaves, creating a strong base for your perfect cup. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. And on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your snacks or even your tea leaves. Check the description below for the product link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, it's time to add the creamy goodness. Pour in 1 cup of fresh milk and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Then, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, adjusting the sweetness to your personal preference. Stir everything well to combine. Allow it to simmer briefly until it achieves a beautiful, rich color. This creates that signature Kerala tea hue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.